If you are emailing out original proposals, digital products, or research reports without a custom watermark, you are practically begging people to steal your intellectual property. It takes a thief exactly 2 seconds to highlight your hard work, copy the text, and slap their own logo on it. Today, I am going to show you the method to stamp a permanent, custom copyright watermark directly onto your WPS Office documents, so your ownership is never in question. First, you need to open up the document you want to protect inside WPS Writer. Look up at your top ribbon menu and click on the Page Layout tab. Scroll to the right side of the toolbar and click the Watermark button. You will instantly see a drop-down menu with quick presets like Confidential, Urgent, or Do Not Copy. You can click one of these for a fast stamp, but we want a custom copyright. Click on Insert Watermark or Custom Watermark at the bottom of that list. A new settings menu will pop up. Check the bubble for the text watermark. This is where you build your shield. In the text box, type your brand name, your website, or Copyright 2026. You can change the font to match your brand and adjust the layout so it stretches diagonally across the entire page. The most important setting here is the transparency. You want the watermark dark enough that it cannot be easily removed, but transparent enough that your client can still easily read the actual document text. Dial that in and hit OK. Now the watermark is on every page, but if you save this as a standard Word document, .docx, and email it, the receiver can simply open the file and hit Delete on your watermark. To permanently lock it, you must flatten the file. Go to Menu, select Export to PDF, and save it. By exporting it as a PDF, you literally burn that watermark into the background of the pages. It is now completely locked. And now your intellectual property is officially stamped and protected from copy-paste thieves. But listen, protecting your written documents means absolutely nothing if you have to pitch that same information to a client and your presentation slides look like a clunky, outdated mess. If you are still spending hours manually aligning text boxes and dragging images around in PowerPoint, you are wasting massive amounts of time. Click the video on your screen right now titled Design Slides Instantly with WPS AI. Better than PowerPoint? I am going to show you exactly how to feed a simple prompt into WPS's built-in generative AI and let it build an entire stunning 15-slide deck for you in less than 10 seconds. Click right there to automate your workflow. Make sure you are subscribed to Tony's Tech Studio, and I'll see you over in that video.